Hey, this is Vikram. I'm the founder and CEO of Pictory. We are so glad you're here on this journey with us. Whether you're a marketer, whether you're an educator, whether you're an entrepreneur, whether you're a coach, you're a consultant, this you'll find very useful because videos have become the new norm of how people communicate. So there's so much you can do with Pictory. You can start with your script. You can start with your blogs. You can start with your long form content. You can start with your ideas. You can start with your PowerPoint. You can turn any of them into amazing videos. And it's not just for individual videos. You can create videos at scale. If you're a business trying to make thousands of videos, you can now do this with our AI agents and our API that will help you create thousands of videos in a day. Listen, it's not about the technology. It's about how you can tell your story and share it with the entire world. You're just getting started, so let's make something amazing together.